Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by supplying crisp inputs, who you're writing for, the tone, and the primary goal. Once done, paste 3-5 source bullets or highlights so the AI has evidence to cite and mimic. Make sure to pick a tool and a template that matches your format, like blog, listicle, or social post. Then set length, keywords, and style constraints. This concrete starting point prevents vague output and speeds up iterative refinement. You now move into iterative refinement. Generate 2 to 3 draft variations to explore angles and voice. Once you have drafts, ask the AI for structural edits, headlines, subheads, and a clear CTA, so the piece flows. Make sure to run tone and readability prompts and request SEO-friendly headings or meta descriptions when relevant. Then compare drafts, keep the best lines, and instruct the AI to combine them into a coherent, polished version. You finish by proofreading and fact-checking names, stats, and quoted material, then optimize the final draft for keywords and a clear call to action. Once complete, format for the channel and export. If the AI gives irrelevant or hallucinatory content, provide exact examples of desired phrasing, stricter constraints, and a short list of banned words. Then regenerate only the needed sections. That targeted retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.